Alrighty, and then the next question is, have you tested Google and or Facebook ads to attract customers? Now, here is my caveat or my warning. So many times people are like, I did a Facebook ad or I did a Google ad or I did this and I didn't get anything. And then I was like, well, okay, what were you trying to do? Well, I was trying to build Facebook likes, and I was like, why? Why would you build Facebook likes? You need to be driving them, and my answer is going to be the same, to a call to action that will ultimately and possibly lead to income. So that could be a coupon. It could be driving it to a webinar. It could be driving to a landing page. You want something that is easily tracked and measured to the actual endpoint of income. And so that's why it's important. Don't do this until you've got your funnel in place, and then you have a way to track from end to end. Otherwise, you know, it's going to be, you're going to possibly be in a position where you're just spending a lot of money and not getting any results. Everybody out there will tell you the answer is Facebook ads. In fact, the latest trend is all the income and leads you'll ever need are over on LinkedIn. That's true, they're there, but the way that they are promoting it is actually not valid. And so you want to watch for these things. You're only getting half a story. And so you want to make sure you got that full story. I'll never forget, again, half a story, right, is the first time that $1 million day occurred in the internet marketing arena. And I remember everyone was like, oh, this is great. You can do all this now, and you too will have your $1 million day. What they never talked about was the fact that it took 10 years to create that $1 million day. The number of steps that had to occur and the elements that had to be in place to be a logical strand of events was never communicated. And so it becomes a false lead in that the data that it's giving you is incomplete.